Hey, what's up guys, my name's St. J, we're back with another YouTube video. Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? So today's video is going to be little clips of me singing karaoke the other night. If you guys watch my videos, my last video, I went to karaoke night. I said, one of my goals for this year is for me to be confident enough just to sing on stage. I don't care how many people are there, whether it's 100 people, whether it's one person, just confident enough to grab the mic and sing. I know I don't have a great voice, but I do love singing, and I did it. So here's going to be some little clips. I know I'm a bad singer, and I was obviously very nervous, and because I love talking in front of people, but my biggest thing is, like, I can read, but, like, I suck at reading. I am a very slow reader, and then also with people watching me, on top of that, that's even more nerve-wracking, so I definitely conquered a fear that day, and I'm proud of myself, and that's what 2023 is going to be all about. I'm going to do things that I'm scared of, and be confident, you know, and have some goals and start like a bucket list and everything I want to do and start checking them off this year. I want this year to be one of the best years of my life. And so far, 2023 has been really, really good. So, yeah.
Like this, drop it low and pick it up just like this. Cup of Ace, cup of Goose, cup of Chris, high heels, something with a habit ticket on my wrist, so sing with me. Now rooftop like a ring, hit a youth tag. If you lose in the bass tag. Champagne's feeling she tastes bad.
I'm so fancy, you already know. I'm in the fast lane, from LA to Tokyo. I'm so fancy, can't you taste this love? Remember my name, drops in blow. Taste this love, remember my name, drops in blow. Trash the hotel, let's get drunk at the minibar. Make the phone call, feels so good getting what I want. Yeah, keep on turning it up. Chandelier swinging, we don't give a fuck. Film star, yeah, I'm deluxe. Plastic expensive, you don't get to touch.
Who that? I just you, I gotta do that. I just you, I gotta do that. I just you, I. Who that? I just you, I gotta do that. I just you, I gotta do that. I just you, I.
Cherry lips, crystal skies. I can show you empirical things. Stolen kisses, pretty lies. You're a king, baby, I'm your queen. Find out what you want. Be that girl for a month. The work is yet to come. Boys only want love, it's torture. Don't say I didn't warn ya. Boys only want love, it's torture. Don't say I didn't warn ya. Or it's gonna go down in flames. You can tell me when it's over, if the high was worth the pain. Got a wrong list of ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane. 'Cause you know I love the way you're lost again. We're young, reckless, we'll take this way too far. It'll leave you breathless, or with a nasty scar. Got a long list of ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane. I'm gonna play space, baby, and I'll write your name.
Boys running from herself, and she's been living on the highest shelf. And they come unstuck, waiting, running down to the riverside. Take it away from the dark side. I wanna be your last man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got up my throat 'cause I think I'm saying the words wrong. I just wanna know if you're gonna stay. I just gotta know. I can have it any other way. I swear she's destined for the screen. Closest thing to my shelf life that you've ever seen. Oh, lady, running down to the riptide. Take it away by the dark side. I wanna be your last hand man. I love you when you sing that song, and I got love in my throat, cause you got me saying the words wrong. Lady, running down to the riptide. Take it away to the dark side. I wanna be your last hand man. I love you when you're singing this song, and I got love in my throat, cause you got me saying the word wrong. Lady, running down to the riptide. Take it away to the dark side. I wanna be your last hand man. I love you when you're singing this song, and I got love in my throat, cause you got me saying the word wrong. I got love in my throat, cause you got me saying the word wrong.
I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like guns, I like $1 million deals, but my fam, bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the jewelers, I look mine. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving wrong, I think. Me gusta bonita, me gusta cubana. Me gusta el acento de la colombiana. Como mueve el culo de lado, andamos aquí del pero billetes de 100 en una virtud que rompe el bajo y la virtud de allá. I said I like it like that. I said I like it like that.
Finally, wow, good job, Raul. Go off, Raul. You gotta pop off.
Never sing again.
Thank you, thank you,
Oh
thank
my
you.
God, yeah, I recorded it. But